Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. My name is Joybin and welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. If you guys are here right from the beginning, thank you so much for all the love and support. And today's video, I'll be doing this easy pink purple kind of a look. I'm using the ABH Norvina collection. This is the mini pro pigment palette volume 1, and I'm using the pink and purple tones in the palette to create this easy effortless look. So if you do want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching.
I'll be directly starting with the foundation. I've already prepped my face. For foundation, I'm using the Rare Beauty foundation in the shade 280N. Moving on to concealer, I'm using concealer from the same brand, that is Rare Beauty, and it's in the shade 250W. To set my under eyes, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Light. I'm going to first set my under eyes, and then whatever remains after doing that, I'll be using it all over my face. For my bronzer, I'm going to use this bronzer from the Balm. It's their Take Home the Bronze Bronzer in Thomas. As my blush, I'm going to use the Burt's Bees blush in the shade Velvet Wine. Moving on to highlighter, so I'm using the Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Rose Quartz. I'm using the Morphe Brushes Continuous Setting Mist to set my face. Moving on to eyes, so I've already used the concealer as my eyeshadow base, and now I'll be using the ABH Norvina Mini Pro Pigment Palette, it's volume 1. First I'll be taking this lavender kind of shade on a very fluffy brush. It's a big brush, and I'll be using this shade and applying it all over my eyelid. It practically goes everywhere. Here I'm taking the same shade on a fine pencil brush, and I'm using it for my lower lash line. Next I'll be taking this bright pink color from the palette, and I'm taking it on a fluffy brush again, but it is smaller in size, and I'm applying it on the inner parts of my eyelid. Next I'll be taking this bright red kind of a shade that is there in the palette, and I'll be taking it again on a fluffy brush and applying it on the outer corners of my eyelid. As my inner corner highlight, I'm going to use this champagne gold shade from the palette and apply it with a tiny pencil brush. I thought of putting a little bit of shimmer all over my eyelids, so I'm taking that shade. It has a pink base, but it has different shades of glitter. There's pink, gold, silver. It's very pretty. So I took it on my finger and I applied it all over my eyelid. I'll be doing my brows now, so I'll be using the Morphe Brushes Brow Cream in the shade Chocolate Mousse. I then used the Lakme Iconic Kohl in the shade White in my waterline. As my mascara today, I'm using the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. Moving on to lips, so I'm going to use a combination of two lipsticks today. So I'm using the Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in the shade Role Model, and I'll be topping it off with Gerard Cosmetics Hydra Matte lipstick in the shade Mile High.
So guys, I hope you loved the video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before leaving. If you ever recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me in your recreations. I would love to see them. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, anything at all, don't forget to mention it in the comments box below. I love reading your comments. And yeah, until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye. So guys, I hope you loved the look. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. Okay. Is it the rubber? No hair, right?